Welcome to our Getting Started tutorial series. In this video, we will create our first project inside of Shipyard. Let's dive in. After you get logged into Shipyard, you'll be taken to an All Projects page, like you can see here on my page. While your projects, you might only have 1 or 0 or 3 or 4, depending on if you've used Shipyard before. Your page should look something like this. So we want to walk through how we can create a new project inside of Shipyard. So what we're going to do is we're going to click the New Fleet button here on the top left-hand corner of the screen. I'm going to click that, which is going to take us to a pop-up that's going to ask us to select a project. So once your projects are created, you can go through and click the one that you want to use. But what we're going to do today is we're going to click Create a New Project. So I'm going to click that, and it's going to pop up and ask us to enter information about our new project. So I'm going to name this our Getting Started project, and then the time zone, just put the time zone that you're located in. I'm going to put Eastern for myself, and then you just click Create Project. So when I click that, it's going to allow me to then go back to this screen so I can select that project. So I'm going to click Select Project, and that's going to take us into the Fleet Builder, and it's going to create a fleet for us inside of the project that we just created. And this is where we'll pick up in our next installment of the Getting Started tutorial series. If you have any questions about this solution or any other potential solution, use the link in the description to set up a time to chat with our team of data experts. You can go to shipyardapp.com to start building powerful workflows just like this for free. Want to see us tackle more solutions? Check out these related videos.